I am Muhammad Ali Priswandi. I will explain what hardware and malware. Hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer system, anything you can touch, see, and physically interact with. Without hardware, software cannot function because it has no platform to run. One characteristic of hardware has physically form work with software. Executed software intrusion can be physically damaged. Types of hardware based on function, device, and technical function. Keyboard as an input device to enter text, number, and symbol into a computer or other digital device. The keyboard is also used to execute commands, control system function, and play an important role in gaming activities. The mouse on a computer functions as an input device that controls the cursor on the screen. By moving the mouse, you can move the cursor, select, open, and perform various actions on the computer. Scanner. The main function of scanner on a computer is to convert physical documents such as photos, letters, books into digital formats, images, and PDF. This allows for more efficient and accessible storage, archiving, and sharing of documents. Joystick functions as input device to control movement or action in various applications, especially the games and simulation. Joystick allow users to control the movement of digital objects on the screen in a more precise manner compared to a keyboard or mouse. Microphone. The main function of a microphone is to convert analog sound into electrical signal, which can then be processed and used for various purposes such as recording, broadcasting, communication, and sound technology. In simple terms, a microphone functions as a sound catcher and convert into form that can be understood in the electronic device. Webcam. The main function of a webcam is to capture and display live video, whether from communication, streaming, security, or event creative content. Webcam allow users to make video calls, online meetings, live streaming, and even as part of a home or office security system. Processing device, component, and technical function. CPU or Central Processing Unit is the brain of computer that processes data, executes instructions, and controls all hardware activities. Its functions include running programs, performing calculation, managing the processor, and supporting multitasking. GPU, Graphic Processing Unit, a special processor that is tasking with processing graphic and visual data and producing image display on the monitor screen. Its main function is to assist the CPU in graphic computing tasks such as rendering image, animation, and videos. GPUs can also be used for various other applications such as AI, machine learning, and simulation. Motherboard, which serves as central hub between components, allow a component to communicate and interact. It provides the layout and connection for the CPU, RAM, graphic card, and other components. Chipset has the main function as a controller and coordinator of data traffic or the motherboard, allowing various components to communicate and work together. The chipset also determines the type of CPU and RAM and storage interface supported by the motherboard. Output device, technical function, monitor, display, visual output, text, image, and video. Printer prints documents or images into paper. Speaker output sound from the computer. Projector project image into a large surface. Storage device. Number 1, primary storage, temporary fast access. Component, RAM, random access memory. Technical function, temporary data storage while the computer is running. ROM, read-only memory stores permanent data like BIOS or firmware. Number two, secondary storage component, hard disk drive, HDD. Technical function, stores data on magnetic platters, solid state drive atau SSD, high speed storage with no moving parts, flash drive, portable storage using flash memory, CD or DVD, optical media for data storage. Conclusion, hardware type, input device, main function enter data, processing device, main function process data, output device, main function display data, storage device, main function storage data, network device, enable communication. Hardware is the essential and physical part of any computer system. Without it, software would behave want to run. Next, there is malicious program. What is malicious program? Malicious program or dangerous program is a type of software designed with the aim of gaming, stealing data, infiltrating system, or disrupting the normal operation of a computer or network without the user's knowledge and permission. Malicious programs are often also referred to as malware. Characteristic of malicious program: installation itself without user permissions, slowing down computer system, charging or deleting files without knowledge, infiltrating security system, taking sensitive data such as password and personal information. Types of malicious program. Number 1, virus. Attacks to files or program and spares when the file is opened. Can damage file, slow down the system, or cause the system to crash. Example, virus that deletes document or Excel file. Number 2, worm is the type of malware that has the ability to replace itself and operate automatically to other computers is in a network without user assistance. Can upgrade itself without the help of other file or media. Usually spreads through network and emails. Effect flood the network and makes the system slow or paralyzed. Number 3, Trojan horse, a type of malware that masquerades as a program or file that appears safe and useful but actually contains malicious code. Disguised as a good program, game, application, but stores malicious program inside, does not spread itself but can open the door to other malware. Example, fake application that never save but still user data. Number 4, spyware, recording user activity without permission, used to steal program data such as password and internet activity. Effect, privacy is compromised and data can be missed. Number 5, adware, display ads continuously on the computer, sometimes accompanied by spyware. Effect, disrupt user comfort and slow down the computer. Number 6, ransomware, lock or encrypts user data, then demand a ransom to be able to access the data again. Very dangerous, especially for companies or governments against. Example, WannaCry attack then paralyzed many hospitals. Number 7, rootkit, a type of malware designed to hide malicious activity on the computer and give hackers access without the owner's knowledge. Hides the application of other malware and give root full access to the attacker. Very difficult to detect by regular antivirus. Effect, the system can be completely controlled by the attacker. Number 8, keylogger is a type of malicious software or hardware that records every keystroke and a keyboard. This recording can include sensitive information such as password, credit card number, and private messages, which can be used for malicious purposes such as identity theft and financial fraud. Record a keystroke keyboard used to steal password, credit card number, how it works, runs silently in the background. How does malware infect your computer? Via email, attachment containing malicious file, download from unsafe sites, or pirated application, external storage media, flash drive, unencrypted public Wi-Fi networks, malicious understanding, malware testing on website. Impact of malicious program, technical impact, computer becomes slow, social impact, loss of personal data, files deleted or lost, social impact, corporate data leaks, system cannot be accessed, identity theft, record costs, damage to personal corporate reputation. How to prevent and protect yourself from malicious program? Use tools antivirus and malware, update your operating system and software regularly, avoid clicking on links or downloading files from unknown source, use strong password and change them regularly, do not use pirate software, backup important data regularly, use firewalls and VPN is necessary. One solution, malicious programs, malware are a real threat to data, and system security is important for users to understand the types of malware, know how they work, implement preventive measures as technology advances to do this type of malware. That emergency education and awareness are the main defense. That's my explanation regarding hardware and malicious program. Sorry if there are any wrong any word. Thank you.